Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2019 Kubota BX2380 subcompact tractor with an LA 344 Swift Attach loader, 48-inch skid steer style mounting quick attach bucket on this tractor. This tractor is going to have an RCK 54-23BX belly mower deck. This tractor has 174 hours, Braden, is that correct?
Yeah.
157 hours, I stand corrected. Tractor's in very nice shape. It is an all original clean tractor. We're going to walk you around this tractor, show you all about it. Coming up front on this tractor, under the hood, I'll actually show you here, just a couple of scuffs in the hood, nothing major, just want to point everything out, being honest. Under the hood of the tractor, it does have the Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. We've just done a full service, changed all the filters and oils on it. Everything there is good, no issues there. Starts, runs good, no problems. The tractor itself is in good mechanical condition. There is some scuffs and scratches on it. We're going to show you some stuff. Bucket is in excellent condition. It is skid steer quick attach. Tractor primarily did a lot of mowing. The loader itself does not appear to have had a lot of use. You can tell one time the gentleman must have had trouble hooking up the loader once, and it come over here and it scuffed the floorboard there. Show him on the other side, Braden. And it scuffed the other side right over there on the floorboard. R4 tires all the way around, excellent condition, probably about 85 to 90%. 540 PTO, category 1 3-point hitch, factory top link, folding roll bar. Everything is there and complete. Fenders are in nice shape. We're going to show you here on the hours. 157 original hours. All the gauges work. You're going to have your PTO selection here of mid and rear, or rear. PTO in and out. Over here you're going to have your loader control, four-wheel drive, hydrostatic high and low range, tilt steering wheel, throttle pedals, everything up here, and throttle. Over here is going to be your parking brake and parking brake lock. One nice thing always on a Kubota, they do have, I can set my 3-point or mower deck height to 3 inches, and it'll hold that from here until you change it, which is a nice thing. I'm going to fire this tractor up, we're going to run it around, we're going to show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So the Kubota BX series is probably one of the most versatile little subcompact tractors out there on the market. Very user-friendly, four-wheel drive out. So they hold great resale value, but they are truthfully a good tractor. Very easy to maintain, service, and keep up. So that was low range four-wheel drive. We'll go ahead and go to high range. So we are on PTO for the mower deck. Mower deck's very nice and quiet. Again, tilt steering wheel. Guys, there it is. Tractor starts, runs, and works great. Again, 157-hour tractor. It is in good condition. R4 tire, skid steer, quick attach, LA 340, swift attach loader, 54-inch belly mower deck, guys. Good running working tractor. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. And as always, have a great day.